I mean, I remember years ago thinking, will we get to 100? And here we are. To have been involved with Rottler for that long, to have operated Rottler equipment and been part of this industry, Rottler is such a big part of it. It's exciting to be here and to celebrate with the industry and celebrate on behalf of Rottler. As I look, I'm looking at this industry and just thinking, wow, what a great time to be in it. So it's one of the more exciting times to be an engine builder. Cars are going a lot faster. There's a lot more horsepower. Diesel engines have changed. As a customer and as an employee, Rottler's always set the tone. So it's 100 years, but the beautiful thing about this company is right here in Seattle, Washington, they design the equipment, they manufacture the equipment, they make the little pieces and parts, and they put the engines, they put the machines together, right here at this facility. So there's engineering, there's machining parts and pieces, there's assembly and putting it together. And all of that is by taking information from the field, taking ideas from engine builders, coming back and incorporating them here, and then being innovative.
I remember back when I first started, we talk about honing machines, and if somebody would have told me that I could put a block in a machine, press go, and hone all the cylinders to within 2/10 of size, straight and round and perfect, I'd have told them they were absolutely crazy, that was rocket science. The thing that we're focused on the most is machines that help customers make more money. In the business, it's all about billable hours. So how many hours can a person in a machine shop, bill out a week or a day? And with the CNC style equipment, you can actually be operating 2 or 3, 4 different pieces of equipment, one operator. My favorite aspect of working for Rottler is it's a family-owned business. Andy Rottler is an extremely honest person and a very caring person, and it's just wonderful to work for a small company with an owner that cares that much about his employees.
Pretty emotional to think about the last 100 years and actually the last 40 years that I've been very involved in the business, and I guess I'm very proud that the family and just as importantly all the employees and the industry that have helped keep Rottler Manufacturing going on. So it's very exciting. Wonderful that everybody could come to Seattle and tour the facility. I'm very excited about keeping things going for another 100 years.